In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can enter the Nigerian Naira sign on Microsoft Word. It's simple and easy. All you need to do is on your Word like this, tap on this here to insert. So you get it, you move to your insert here. So at the insert, you move to this side of your page, which is symbol. Tap on this here. Like this, you move to more symbols here. So you can see the Naira here. So you just need to scroll on your page like this. You just scroll to this side. There are lots of symbols, so you just go to this side. On top, and you can see I think the Naira is on top here. Now let me scroll up a bit, and that's Naira. So you tap on it, you insert and you close it, and your Naira should appear here. Let me do it once again for you guys to grasp it. So now let me tap on the space bar to come to this side a bit. So now I tap on the insert, just like I said, I move to this side to the symbol. Good. And then I tap on more symbols, and you can see the Naira here. You can scroll down here to this side till you get the Naira. You tap on the Naira. You tap on insert, you tap on close, and you're good to go. And you can see there's the Naira, and then you can continue typing. So that's it on how you can enter the Nigerian Naira sign when you're on Word. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.